everybody, welcome to my part 2 of making the Slither game. My name is Ane and today we will be coding the apple. Let's start. So first we will go into our Scratch account and hit our Slither game, which is currently I've not named it yet. Then we're gonna press C inside. Now, in my last episode, we coded so that we could move our head and the body would always be following the head and leaving a trail. Now today we will be coding the apple so that whenever the head touches the apple, then your trail will become bigger. Let's start. So first we'll go to our apple, which has no code right now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to events and get the run green flag clicked. Go to control, get the forever loop, and then get the if, then else. Go to sensing and get the touching head block. We're gonna be the code we're doing right now is whenever the apple touches the head, what should happen? So when the apple touches the head, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to variables. We're gonna press make a variable and name it points. And for all sprites, press OK. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the set you're gonna get the set block from variables, but change it to points. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go get the change block and change it to point and change clone to points by 1. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to looks and get the hide block from looks. Then if you want to put a sound, then you can do that. I'm gonna put a sound, so I'm gonna go to sounds. And it has already the chomp for me. Let's see if it works. Let's see if I like it. Yeah, it works fine. So I'm gonna go to code, go to sound, and get the play sound chomp until done. Then I'm gonna go to variables, and get the change and then get the change block and change it to wait time by 1. This will be that our wait time is how long our apple will be. Our wait time will be always changing by 1 whenever the head touches the apple. Let's see if this works. God. We get 1 point. But now, as you see, it's not showing up. Do you know why? Well, because we haven't put that whenever it does that, we should make it show up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to events, get the when green flag flicked block, go to variables, get the set. We're going to go to, actually, nope, we're not actually going to go to variables. We're going to go to control, get the forever loop, then go to looks, get the show block, and then go to motion and go to random position. This will do it so that whenever our head touches the apple, it will, make it go to a random it will show it, make it go to a random position. So then what we're gonna do is go to control and get the wait 1 second block and then change this 1 to 3. Then go to looks, get the hide block, and then go to control again and get the wait 1 second block. Let's see if that works. Let's see if this works. So that happens. And you see, it shows up now. And then you see our body is more bigger. It's not still the same size. It is bigger now. Now we should add a backdrop because plain white just looks a little too boring. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press the backdrop button and get a backdrop you want. I'm just gonna take the blue sky. Then what we're gonna do is go to stage, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a sound because I don't want it to be without a sound. So I'm gonna go to event in backdrops, get the when clicked, go to sounds, and then what I'm gonna press is this, choose a sound, and then I get to choose whatever I want. I'm gonna go to loops and see what's there. I'm gonna choose the chill one. So I'm gonna press that. Let's see how it sounds. Then let's go to code, get the sound, go to sounds, and then get the place chill until done. But what we want to do is also go to control, get the forever loop, and put it right. Then what we're gonna do is put the play sound chill until done inside it so that after it's done, it will play it again and again and again. Let's see if this works. And it does. Now in my next video, we're gonna make a new program. Stay tuned to see when my next video is coming out. Please like and subscribe. Bye.